Hello guys, welcome back to this Arduino tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to make a person counter which will be counting the number of persons present inside a room in real time. So this is the demonstration for today's video. For this you need two IR sensors or obstacle sensor or infrared sensor, one Arduino board, some wires and one LCD display or any kind of display that you want, which is an optional if you want to print the information on the display. For now, I'm using my serial monitor to print that data. So I have connected my two infrared sensor with the Arduino board. I'm reading the output from each sensor at pin number 7 and digital pin 8 of the Arduino board. Let's go to the coding section. So this is the code that I have written for today's video. I have declared some variables, for example s underscore in, which means the sensor which is reading the persons that are going inside, that are entering in the room, and s out, that means sensor which is reading the person count that are exiting outside or that are leaving the room. Then person in, which are holding the count of that persons, number of persons that are entering inside the room. And then person out, which is calculating or which is holding the number of persons that are moving outside from the room. Then total in is holding the real time count of persons that are available or that are present inside the room. In and out are the variable which are reading the state of the sensor. So using the pin mode function inside the setup mode, inside the setup function, I have declared s in and s out as my input pin. Using the serial.begin function, I have started the serial communication for the user and to print the data on serial monitor. Then this is the simple message for the user. Inside the loop function, I'm reading the state of two variables using the digital read function from for the sensor s in and s out inside in and out variable respectively. Then I'm setting the conditions for each sensor. For example, if the state of my sensor which is reading the number of persons or which is attached at the entrance of the door, the out variable which is holding the state of the sensor which is at the exit gate of the room. Then if the state of any variable change, for example the state of s in sensor changes to high, then the person count or person in will be get incremented by 1. And in the same way, if the state of s out changes to high, then the person out will be get incremented by 1. And at the end, mm, then I'm subtracting the total number of persons that have left the room from the total number of persons that have entered inside the room, and the result is stored in total in variable. And then I have printed the result total in on the serial monitor. So let's compile this code for error check. For this video, I'm using a hardware. I have completed the circuit. Just uh, plug your USB cable and connect your Arduino board with your uh, computer or laptop, and check for the port which is available or where you have connected your Arduino board. For me, it's COM6 for Arduino board, and this arrow button or the upload button is used to upload the program inside in the Arduino board. Click on this upload button. This is the circuit that I have created for today. You can see on the serial monitor. So this is all for today. Thank you so much.